An underbite, often caused by crooked teeth, can make eating and speaking difficult and affect your confidence. Many people wonder if there is a discreet way to fix it. Invisalign uses a series of clear plastic aligners to gently move your teeth into the correct position. These aligners are custom-made and gradually shift your upper teeth, helping to correct underbites caused by tooth misalignment. Each set is worn for about 2 weeks, then replaced with the next in the series, guiding your teeth step by step. Invisalign is a great choice if you are self-conscious about wearing braces, or if you have a busy lifestyle and want to avoid food restrictions. The aligners are nearly invisible and removable. If your underbite is severe or caused by jaw issues, braces or surgery may be needed. Consult an orthodontist to find the best solution for you.